From a legacy that spans over 5 decades of engineering excellence, the Anglian Omega Group has stood for innovation, reliability, and growth. Born from this heritage is OBSC Perfection, a name that redefines precision in manufacturing.
Perfection isn't a claim, it's a discipline. At OBSC Perfection, every movement, every micron, every measurement counts.
Established in 2017, OBSC Perfection began as a vision to create world-class components built on India's engineering strength. In just a few years, the company has grown from a single manufacturing facility into a multi-location enterprise, integrating advanced machining, hot forging, cold forging, stamping, surface treatment, and investment casting. Today, OBSC Perfection is a publicly listed company with 7 modern facilities across Pune, Chennai, Faridabad, and Supa, serving industries that move the world forward across more than 550,000 square feet of precision infrastructure. OBSC Perfection brings together end-to-end manufacturing capabilities, from machining, stamping, hot and cold, forging, to investment casting, welding, phosphating, and painting, all under one roof. Each facility is powered by technology, automated systems, and rigorous quality controls that ensure every component meets exacting standards. Our components drive performance across industries, from automotive systems, exhaust, steering, and suspension, to non-automotive sectors like marine, railways, aerospace, and defense. From sub-assemblies to off-highway and cable assemblies, every part we produce reflects our commitment to precision and purpose. OBSC Perfection delivers reliability where it matters most: in motion, in strength, and in performance. Perfection is not claimed, it's verified. OBSC Perfection's plants are certified to ISO and IATF standards. Each product undergoes metallurgical, dimensional, and functional testing through advanced CMMs, spectroanalyzers, ultrasonic flaw detectors, and tensile testing equipment. Every step is data-driven, every process is validated, and every component is proof that quality is not negotiable. Behind every innovation stands a vision. At OBSC Perfection, that vision is shaped by leadership, a team that believes precision is not an act but a habit. Our people bring together experience, discipline, and technical mastery, guided by the philosophy that perfection is achieved when technology and human intent work in harmony. As our managing director, Mr. Saksham Likha, says, perfection is the culture we live by, in every component, every process, and every delivery. OBSC Perfection delivers engineering excellence to customers across 14 countries, trusted by leading OEMs and global brands: ZF, Titan X, Mahle, Elbit Systems, Bharat Electronics Limited, Tata, Kongsberg, Lear Corporation, Royal Enfield, Forvia, Tenneco, and more. Our components enable progress across continents. As a part of the Anglian Omega Group, we continue to expand our global footprint, investing in automation and next-generation technologies that shape the future of manufacturing. Because for us, perfection is not a destination, it's a mindset.
From concept to component, from design to delivery, OBSC Perfection continues to engineer trust, innovation, and precision in its every product. This is who we are, and this is what we built. OBSC Perfection. Perfection engineered.